Rise and rebuild. This distinction is also about transformation, and we rebuild from each transformation, but our biggest block to our next breakthrough is our previous breakthrough. So the faster that we move from transformation to transformation, the quicker we will rise and rebuild. It's not about falling off the horse. It's about how long do you stay down after you fall off the horse? How long do you stay down and get it back on? That's the question. You know, when things happen in life, do I use that moment to become a victim and to wallow and to ruminate and blame and complain, or do I use that moment and use it to catapult me into the next breakthrough and go from breakthrough to breakthrough rather than from breakthrough to breakdown to break, so and we're being rebuilt by Jesus Christ, by the Holy Spirit. So walking in obedience and the fruits of the Spirit and love and joy, worshiping while we work, is all a part of rising and rebuilding.